Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro with the Creator Kit. This is a new gimbal I picked up, and I'm going to be using fairly often on this channel, as well as to create some unique content for the builds that I do. Um, So this is brand new in box, just got it in the mail, and I can't wait to share it with you. So first things first, what will you capture? Right on the top, looks like we've got manual and accessories. Presentation is very, very clean. Oh, gives you all the information that you need to start off with, including what to download for specific items. We've got a nice felt carrying case for on the go, all of your manuals and information in multiple languages, which is really, really intelligent. Quick start guide, magnetic phone mount, safety, even some stickers. Bravo. I dig it. So then here it looks like we've got the magnetic phone mount, and this will work very nicely with my 16 Pro Max, which is actually why I picked this particular model. This extremely clean, very, very well done, and it almost feels like a soft silicone on the back of here, so you're not going to have to worry about scratches or anything on the back of your device. Over here, looks like we've got some USB cables as well as the attached light. See if I can get that out of there. Yep. So that is the light attachment for the Flow 360. Got some extra cables. Nice and tidy, clean. And here we are. So, clip mount, direct dead center. This is the one that's going to grip your device. And I mean, that's fairly solid. I'm pretty impressed right there. Little desiccant packet, that's fine, but here we are, fresh, brand new, and sealed, without opening. Even just off the bat, I can tell you from the weight of it, it does feel fairly substantial, and I'm very impressed at that. Wow. Labels for everything on every portion of the device. This is clean, crisp, and very well thought out. And I think this is the feature that I was most excited about because I do so much filming. This has a built-in tripod, so you can set your device and voila, it is up and moving already. I haven't even done anything yet.